Okay, check out the awesome Outdoor Pro lights installed with the open soffits. As you can see, these are the Seahawk colors going on right now. I think they turned out pretty good. Yep, turned out pretty good. So stay tuned to the end and to see the Christmas lights that I created. Okay, here's how I install my awesome outdoor lights with the track system. So I put out a video on how I did the track system, so you guys can look for that. But here's the finished install right there. As you can see, it starts right there, goes up, and right there in that little on the beam there at the high peak, I started the puck there and worked my way to the left and right. And the cool thing about Awesome is they have individual lights that you can just plug into to start out, so it makes it real simple. So I came here and I started my track from there, and then we went all the way around here, right there, all the way around to the corner there. All the way around. Okay, then we came up there, and as you can see, started the puck in the middle again, left to right. Okay, but right here I came all the way across over here, and then right here I had to get some transition, more extensions, so I went all the way up there and then puck in the center there again, left to right. But I ran out of the tracks, as you can see, but they actually turned out really good still. Worked my way all the way down here to the end. And then I tucked it right behind the siding here and worked my way down here to this track system. All right. And actually, I just need to tuck that that wire in. It'll tuck and hide. But as you can see all the bulbs, and it looks clean on this open soffit here. Came around my security camera, and then we had to transition over to this one. But as you can see, I took the wires, I painted the wires, the transition wire, and tucked it over it, tucked it along the siding and over to here, so you can barely see it. And then we finished up right here. So, and I did do some transitions, and I cut that also, and the lights still work when you cut them. So yeah, that's how I did that. Turned out really good. And what I'll do is I'll put some videos on here of what they look like at night. Yep. And I'll also put some on there how I transitioned up here on the high peaks. So all right, I appreciate you guys for even looking at this. Like and subscribe. Do something positive. Okay, and these are the Christmas lights that I designed with the AI. I think that turned out really nice too.